Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Technophone setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys Technophone Wi-Fi setting. So friends, in this video guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi pair network guys. How can we pair Wi-Fi network in our Technophone guys? You want to pair guys your Wi-Fi network, so guys you can pair. And guys now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Technophone. In this video guys I am going to show you. So friends, first of all guys we will on our phone setting to pair our Wi-Fi network. So as you can see this type of settings, so guys click on guys your Wi-Fi setting. Then guys you can see this Wi-Fi networks. So which Wi-Fi network guys you have guys? I have this Mukesh 5G, so I tap here. Then guys I will enter password here. So I enter your Wi-Fi password to pair your Wi-Fi network. So I will enter my password, and guys you can check your password, and guys you can scan from here. Guys you can see this advanced option, so guys you can use this advanced option in your Technophone. So I and then guys tap here to this connect option means pair. Then it will pair after 3 and 4 seconds guys. Then guys you can see guys Wi-Fi network has paired. Then guys we can use while operating as YouTube, like that, Instagram, WhatsApp app, Play Store guys you can use. Guys you don't have guys your mobile data, so guys you can guys you can pair your Wi-Fi network. Then guys you can use your apps. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in a Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet to next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.